AI versus human creativity. It's a huge paradox, right? Let's explore what's actually happening.
So let's jump straight into the big, kind of scary question. Is AI actually more creative than you?
Well, recent research tested AI against a staggering 100,000 people in creative thinking tasks.
And the results? Wild. Models like GPT-4 now consistently beat the average human score. No way, right?
But hold on. Here's the nuance. The top 10% of creative humans, they still absolutely crush AI. Basically, AI raises the average floor, but we humans, we still firmly hold that highest creative ceiling. Why is that? Well, AI just mixes patterns. Human creativity comes from messy emotions and real lived experience.
AI is super good at mashing up existing concepts, something researchers call combinational creativity.
But crucially, it completely lacks the deep meaning, memory, and consciousness that drives our genuine innovation. So, think of AI as the great leveler. It's an amazing boost for folks who struggle with ideation.
While AI spits out massive volume, we provide the real magic, strategic alignment, and authentic cultural context.
And this leads us to the literal future of work. It belongs to what we call symbionts.
These are creators who use AI to generate tons of ideas, then apply human judgment to refine them.
In fact, research shows human-AI symbionts are literally 133% more successful at problem solving.
So AI provides the rocket fuel, but you still steer the ship. Where are you going to take it? No more YouTube channel name, @Krishiv999P. Please subscribe, like, and share.